So today I'm going to show you my at-home Saturday morning doing nothing skincare routine. I am 55 years old and my skin needs that extra attention. Today it's really cloudy. It looks like one of those snow cold days. My husband and I, we're not doing anything. If we do anything, we're going to order some food to be delivered. We're not doing anything. So this is a perfect day, a perfect Saturday to do my skincare routine and to pamper me. When I get up in the morning, I use several skincare products. Now, I know a lot of people say, well, it's not necessary to use all of these products. Honey, I am 55 years old. I used to use 3 products, a cleanser, toner, and moisturizer. My skin at this age requires much more, okay? I need vitamin C, ceramides, peptides. I need to really pamper my skin to help my skin continue to look healthy. I cannot use the 1, 2, 3 systems anymore. If I do, that's just something really quick, maybe on vacation or something like that. But when I am at home and I'm not doing anything or not making any runs, this is my extensive Saturday skincare routine. And you need that. Sometimes you need a day where you just pamper your skin. I'm going all out. I'm doing my mask. I'm doing everything. Now, the thing that I do want to share, the night before, like yesterday, I did my liquid exfoliator and I used this at night. And I also have these little pads that sometimes, where is it at? Here it is, right here, that I just run across my skin. This is a liquid exfoliator. I use chemical exfoliants, but this is really close to a chemical exfoliant. It goes on like a toner, and you leave it on overnight. In the morning, you rinse it off, and you proceed with your skincare, and you definitely want to use a sunscreen. Very, very important. Today, I want to add lots of moisture to my skin to really hydrate my skin thoroughly. It's cold outside. I'll tell you that wind is really brisk, and I need to keep my skin hydrated, okay? Especially as I'm going out quite often doing things, my skin needs this routine. So that's what I'm going to show you today, my Saturday skincare routine, and you can come along with me. It's very relaxing, very soothing. I'm not going to say too much. You're just going to see some of the products. I may have it listed down here, or I might do a voiceover. Not really sure, but it is very relaxing and soothing. This is my me time, and in the midst of me doing things like waiting for my mask, I make my coffee and do some of everything, honey. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started and let me show you what I do.